Welcome to this short video introducing inside out and outside in as a model for blended learning. When referring to this model, inside out is when teaching and learning starts inside the classroom and finishes outside of it in an online environment. Outside in is when teaching and learning first starts online and finishes inside the classroom. In this model, each class is divided in half. One half is classroom-based and the other is remote. Students swap between classroom and online learning during specific tasks. Here is an example of the inside-out model applied to an assignment. A group of students are preparing for a project about counselling agencies. Students meet in the classroom to share local knowledge and resources about counselling agencies. The tutor provides information about counselling placement requirements, and the students discuss their personal challenges in placement work along with their interests in client groups. Students are set a task outside the classroom to contact an agency and arrange a face-to-face or remote visit. Information and learning from both elements are then used to complete the assignment. Here is an example of the outside-in model applied to a different assignment. Students are sent learning resources such as a PowerPoint presentation, recorded lecture, or some reading to prepare a self-evaluation on what they need from supervision. They do this outside of the classroom. Students then return to the classroom for a face-to-face group training supervision session facilitated by the tutor. Here are the benefits of this learning model. It provides traditional teaching methods in external places. It provides traditional homework activities in the classroom with the support of tutors and peers. Tutors get maximum time with students to discuss and disseminate learning and understanding. It develops students' time management skills by asking them to produce work in a timely way. It enables students to work at their own pace and to use all resources available to complete their work. Here are some of the challenges of this model. Students need regular, reliable access to digital devices and the internet. Teaching time isn't necessarily reduced because tutors will provide teaching, observations, support and guidance through both in-person and remote means. Students who require extra support and tuition or struggle to work independently may fall behind, which will impact their overall achievement. We hope this has been a helpful overview of this learning model. Make sure you watch our other videos in this series to learn about other approaches to blended learning.